O light of the church, teacher of the truth, rose of patience, holy man of prayer, holy man of compassion, Saint Dominic, pray for us. Saint Dominic, pray for us. Oh, praise and thank Lord for our Father, Saint Dominic.
Hello friends, greetings from Goa. We Dominicans, in a hymn known as O Lumen, sung each evening in honor of Saint Dominic, attribute a wonderful virtue to him, rose of patience. Dear friends, we know that rose is a beautiful flower with its grandeur and fragrance, and it can attract many to itself. The flower rose is blossomed on a thorny bush. Thorns are not desirable in themselves because they can cause pain and symbolize struggles and troubles. However, a rose is the crowning moment of a thorny bush. In a similar way, patience is a virtue that is acquired by us during long years of struggle and perseverance. In the life of Saint Dominic, he had a vision for humanity and he was given a path to reach the goal of his vision, preaching for the salvation and a better life for humanity. But the path he undertook to reach his goal touched dead end many times without success. Like every human being, Saint Dominic was discouraged but never gave up. He waited patiently for God's intervention and for right opportunity to move forward. He was like a good captain who steered a ship through turbulent waters. He waited patiently. At the end, his patience paid him off with the establishment of one of the greatest religious orders in the world, Dominicans, who would further his legacy even now in the 21st century. We all have struggles and troubles. People and circumstances may not favor us, but if we have a goal for our life which includes our well-being and the well-being of all others, and wait patiently for God to intervene in those difficult situations, we will be victorious and successful in the face of worst adversities and trials. The future belongs to those people with patience and persevere even through the hardest moments to the goal that God has placed in them.
Prophet Hosea says, "He shall blossom like the lily, he shall strike root like the forest of Lebanon. His beauty shall be like the olive tree, and his fragrance like that of Lebanon." I had a dream in one of the day in the month of August. There in heaven a door stood open. I saw a godly, good-looking young man dressed in white robe. He was just like jasper or carnelian with a golden crown of shining stars. He had a charming smile on his face. A flaming torch kept aside to light the world. His words were sweet as honey in the mouth. He moved with compassion to the poor. He removed the tears from the eyes of many. He was filled with knowledge and wisdom to remove the evil from the generation. He spent his nights before the Blessed Sacrament, finding there rest. He armed himself with prayer, not with sword. Read the powerful Holy Rosary to cleanse the heresy of the generation. He was the beloved son of the Mother of God and an ardent and reverent lover of her. Yes, it was our patron Saint Dominic. As most of the Dominicans are engaged in teaching and preaching ministry, and as we prepare for the St. Dominic's Day, let us intercede for the world, which is moving through a great crisis. Let the new generation of today be the flaming torch of truth and fear of God. Let's wear the arm of prayer as the PPE kit, the personal protective equipment, and take in hand the weapon of Holy Rosary as the sanitizer to cleanse the heretical ideas from the mind of the new generation. Let's all hope for a COVID-free world of new hope and life.